Hello everyone, I'm Devin Airsofter, and today we're at Power Waukegan playing some 3v3 Speed Sauce. For today's gameplay, I'm using my KWA Ronin T6. That's about it. Enjoy.
Alright, you ready? Hey. Alright, ready! 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Did you get him? Hey, there we go. I'm gonna try pushing mid this time if you want to go far right again. Okay. One hit, one hit. Push up, push up. Oh, that was the last one. This is the last one too. God, that was good. Whoa. Nice.
I was running, I hit my magnum when he shot my gun.
I know.
Oh, shit.
Woo! Nice job. Woo. All right. All right, we're good. Ready? What do you see? What do you see?
I'm not full auto. It's not full auto.
That's not full auto?
This is. That's full auto.
Damn, bro. Okay.
I've hit you so many times, dude. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Oh, sorry. Is that game? I didn't get hit. Did I get hit? What? Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine, we're good. I was still in, but whatever, it's fine. Now these. think I got hit. It's good. Woo. That's good. I didn't feel that first one. That was a good shot. Woo. I know, yeah. That's good. Nice. Woo. Oh, hey, hi. Hi. You started to join us, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Did you just walk in? Yeah, they're taking a break. They've been going for I don't know how long. We can do 2v2 if you want. Okay. You want to go against me or with me? With you? Okay. Yeah, I don't know if you can do 2v2. I'll go with him. Yeah, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, hit. Woo. Good job.
So of course right there is where I got my GoPro shot out. I didn't realize it until after the game, and of course I was pretty upset about that, but I'm thankful that it was just the case that was damaged and not the camera itself, so I was able to keep recording.
You want to push this way? I'll push that way.
Yeah, sure.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, hit! I don't know how the f none of those hit him. All right, I'm gonna do one more. They're gonna head out. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, hit. Hey, no full auto, guys, come on.
So guys, that is all for the gameplay today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know I had a lot of fun playing. This is my first time ever playing on a sort of speed QB field like this, and I really had a fun time, even though there was a little bit of not hit calling, but whatever, it's Airsoft. So guys, again, if you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out the top link in the description. That'll take you to my Patreon. And if you also would like to buy a patch for yourself, go ahead and check out the second link, which will take you to buy a custom ILA patch. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.